Hi kids, today I will show you to make one more paper flower. I had taken 10 into 10 centimeters papers and cut them diagonally. I had cut all the papers diagonally. In this way I had cut all the papers diagonally. Now I had taken one paper, and you all know the paper fan folding. In the same way I folded the paper diagonally from the base to the top. Diagonally I am folding it. And again I folded it into half. In the same way I had folded all the papers diagonally. Once folding is over, I applied little glue in between and stuck them to make petals. See, in this way I am applying in the middle of the petal. Now after I made the petals, now I am making a small flower with another this 5 into 5 centimeters I had taken, and I made small flowers. See, the folding this flower you can see in my first video also. Some lines with a pen, with a sketch pen in between, in the center of the flower. I removed one petal. On one petal I am applying some glue, and it is overlapped with other petal, so that it looks like a flower. I had made some flowers in this way. I will show you to make a wall hanging with the waste paper cake base. I have taken a cake base and I had applied glue on these petals on one side and had stuck all of them one after the other. In this way I had completed the whole thing with flowers also. I had already made a hanging for it on the back side. So this is how it looks. Now in the same way I may show you some flowers to make flowers. I had taken 6 petals of 3 different colors and had stuck them alternatively. I'm making this flower with 3 colors. I had already made some flowers with single color and with 2 colors also. Not only flowers, I had made other flowers also, not on this flower, or one more flower also with 2 petals and 3 petals of different colors. Now all the petals of the first flowers over. And I had stuck a kundan in the center to make it little attractive. This way, these are the other flowers, and this is what I told with 2 or 3 petals. I had taken this before folding and sticking. I had applied a glue in the between, and I had kept a full petal. And this is a 2 color flower, small flower. It's like just a bud or anything just like that. Now this I made with 3 colors. Again, the second one is also an opened one. Third is a closed petal. This way I made all the flowers. You can see 3 types of flowers in this video. Thank you for watching the video.